Okay, so you've seen from before there are multiple different ways of drawing this one. In this way, we're going to use the offset command. We're going to use some fillets. And we're going to use the array function that's actually built into the copy command to create all 5 of these circles at one time. Let's go ahead and jump on over to AutoCAD, and this should be a relatively quick and easy example to demonstrate that with. So in AutoCAD, I'm just going to create one line that's going this direction. Make sure that this line is horizontal. And the dimension of this line is 6 long. I'll offset with a distance of 2. So when you go to offset, type in 2 as your distance. Select this line. Then offset it either above or below it. In order to put the arcs on the end of this, I will use the fillet command. And it doesn't matter what your radius is. If there are 2 parallel lines and I fillet this end with this end, it will go ahead and create an arc there. Do the same on the other end. So fillet. It doesn't matter which direction you select these in. If I select this top line first and this bottom one, it's still going to make a tangent arc going to the outside of those endpoints. Let's go ahead and create a circle with a center diameter located here. And it has a diameter of 1. Let's go to the copy command. Select the object that I want to copy. Enter. The base point, since we're going at a distance, the base point really does not matter. So I'll select the base point located here. You can see on your command line now it's asking me to specify the point or use an array. So I want you to select the word array. Then it's going to ask you for the number of items that you want to create. I want 5. I have to include the one that I'm copying. And then it's going to ask me for the direction. So I'm just aiming this direction, and I have to tell it how far to go between each of them. Once again, make sure your ortho is turned on. I'm going to point this direction, and I'll type in 1.5, enter, and then escape. And this is a relatively quick way of creating a whole bunch of lines or circles or copying a whole bunch of objects if they're all going into a straight line. Hope that was informative to you, and thanks for watching.